School's out, and there's no time like afternoons and weekends to connect with your teen or tween. Today, we're sharing some of our favorite family bonding adventures in Atlanta. Hi, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta, the #1 rated food and history tour company in the city. Okay, we get it. We know that when it comes to hanging out with their family, teens and tweens can have strong opinions. But lucky for you, we at Unexpected Atlanta have combed through the city to find fun things for you to do together. From video game challenges to sports face-offs to educational experiences where everyone gets to learn a little something, these activities will have you bonding in no time, even if you'll never share the same lingo. All right, let's kick things off in Decatur. The next time your teen complains about having to read Tom Sawyer for summer reading, take them to Tweens. This combo pub and pool hall is named after the illustrious author and his love of both beer and billiards. A kid in a bar? All right, hear us out. Parents can enjoy house beers and cocktails that pair perfectly with the Twain's elevated bar food, like their goat cheese stuffed figs and signature nachos, my favorite. And then your teen will get a kick out of learning to play pool, darts, even shuffleboard. Next up, impress your teen by showing them you're up on all the trends by taking them to the Painted Pickle in Armour Yard. They say there that pickleball is more than a sport. It's a lifestyle. At the Painted Pickle, you can pick up a racket and unleash your competitive side at this unique competery that combines sports with a menu that stands out on its own. True to its theme, the Painted Pickle is decorated wall to wall with bright green turf. It makes you feel like you're on the court, whether you're playing pickleball with the family or devouring appetizers at the indoor restaurant and bar. The bacon cheeseburger pickle poppers are the real winners for us. Now, games and sports are a great way to bond with your teen or tween, and the Painted Pickle offers more than pickleball. They've got ping pong, darts, shuffleboard, cornhole, table tennis, and an indoor putting green. And those are just some of the games that people from all over Atlanta come to enjoy. Ooh, organize a mini sports tournament with the whole family, and the winner gets to choose the next game. So no matter how you play, you'll be re-energized after seeing the smile on your family's faces. Battle and Brew offers a different kind of gaming as the first video game restaurant and venue in the United States. Your young gamers and foodies will be excited to hit start at this high-energy play space, especially if you come on one of their regular theme nights, which cover every genre you can imagine. Magic the Gathering, check. Family board games, check. Scary stories? Check. There is literally something for everyone. Whether your teens want to show off their favorite skills in Mario Kart or test your rhythm at a virtual reality dance battle, order a few rounds of Cheeto cheese fries and choose your players. The fun is just getting started here. Atlanta is a city filled with so much culture and history, it can be hard to know where to start. Maybe your teen isn't interested in recreational learning, or maybe you've got an aspiring scholar on your hands. Either way, guided tours let you and your family get up close and personal with the people who turned Atlanta on its head, started movements, inspired monuments, and built this city from the ground up. So if that 8 a.m. history class hasn't sparked any interest yet, try stepping away from books and screens and literally putting yourself in the footsteps of Atlanta's most influential figures as you journey through historical neighborhoods with more than a few stories to tell. Whether you want to inspire your teen with Martin Luther King's civil rights journey or encourage their creative side by exploring street art in Cabbagetown, our expert tour guides will uncover parts of the city you've never seen before. And don't be surprised if your teen ends up texting all their friends about their new knowledge by the time that we're through. Trust us, we know it can be hard to get kids to look up from their phones, but a Tiny Doors scavenger hunt just might do the trick. So Atlanta has a little secret to share. Artist Karen Anderson Singer has scattered approximately 30 of her tiny doors throughout Atlanta neighborhoods. Now, each door is unique and it shows off the architecture and character of its location. And some can only really be experienced in augmented reality. Whether you're a local or just visiting, spending an afternoon hunting for tiny doors, it's a great way to discover really fun spots in Atlanta that you'd never think to look for otherwise. Not sure where to start? We'll give you a hint to kickstart your hunt. There's a map on the website tinydoorsatl.com. So see who can find the most doors or get the most creative photos with them. We can't wait to see all the treasured memories that you create. All right, those are our top favorites for teen-friendly fun, but we always love learning new things, so if you've got any suggestions, drop them in the comments. As long as you're exploring the city together, there's no limits to the adventures that you can have. Plus, don't miss Unexpected Atlanta's food and history tours offered year-round. Check out any of our tours for more information about Atlanta history and new ways to explore the city while you travel.